Today is March 28, 2:21 p.m. We are looking at Arbor Realty Trust, ticker ABR, because we saw some unusual options and we wanted to share what they were and also suggest a trade idea and show you our position on what we did for this trade because it's a little different than the unusual options we saw. So currently it's dropped 3% today, and you see this big drop causing a large spike in volatility, and that's why you'll see here the option is at 90% volatility. And so the unusual options we saw today was taking place at about 141, and you'll see here all these contracts at about that same time at 140 for the same expiration date in June 16, and also the same strike price, 7.5 puts. You'll see here all these contracts, and you'll see the 7.5 is quite interesting. And why did they do that? Well, if we were to zoom out of here, you could see that the 7.5 is let's see, we're here right now, so 7.5 is about right here. And where does that coincide with? Well, it's another strong support. It's the next one that we reached here back, this was back in July of 2020. Okay, and so right now we're at this support level here at the 10.8, which was also a support level back in resistance, which then turned support in September of 2020. So it makes sort of sense that the next drop down, if we are going to drop from this level, will be 7.5, this level here. So if we look at the trade, the options chain, we could see here this June 16, which is 80 days away. You'll see here there's actually 22,000 contracts, lots of volume today. And what we did was a little different, though. We didn't actually buy it, we sold it because lots of buying today of this, so it caused more volatility. So we prefer to be a seller of volatility when there is a high spike in volatility. But we are still also, even though we sold it, we still made our position bearish because we bought the July 10 strike puts right here. So you see our position here. And so we like this trade because it is actually less theta decay. So you could see here this is our trade here. Let's see, currently it's selling for $70. The theta is near zero. It's 0.05, right? So it's not even negative. So we like this trade. It's a negative 20 delta, and so the unusual options we saw was just a single 7.5 put. It's going for $50, but it's a negative 0.73 theta. So and a negative 15. So depending on how much negative delta you want on this trade, you can position size it with your risk to reward ratio, how much you want to spend. And so that's primarily why we didn't do the exact same trade, because we wanted we didn't want a negative theta decay with our trade. And so that allows us also more time to decide if we want to get in or out of this trade, because this long put here expires in July, not in the Junes. Okay, so that's our trade for today, and so that's our analysis for these unusual options. And if you like this video, you like this trade idea, please give us a like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified whenever we see these unusual options. Take care and good luck, everyone.